Hello, my name is Ian Brickley, and today I'm going to introduce the topic of one-to-one initiative. And the question we are posing is, will this be successful for the future of education? Also covering this topic will be Derek and Jordan. I will be covering the introduction and general uses. Derek will be going over common concerns. Jordan will be doing training and giving you a few examples, and Derek will cover findings and wrap it up for us. So, what is the one-to-one initiative is our first question. To put it quite simply, it is the implementation for every student and teacher having their own personal device, usually a tablet or even a small laptop. The device is usually hooked up to the internet and has up-to-date software. And why would this be useful in schools is our second question. I think as the world is becoming a more and more technologically driven place, students need to be up to date with what's changing in technology and how to properly use and protect themselves in our technological future. And then covering a few general uses, the first one I can think of is taking notes. Now there's a few ways that taking notes on a tablet or a computer can be useful. It allows the students to either write in a blank document following along with the teacher, or they can pull up the slideshow that the teacher has and they can follow along and highlight certain areas. The second big thing for us to talk about is replacing books. Now what does that mean? It means getting rid of the solid textbooks that are expensive and costly for the school to purchase and heavy for the students to carry around. And this gives the student a lighter bag, and it costs a lot less for the school to get e-textbooks. The student can either get permanently get the textbook, or they can just lease it from the school. I feel that students can also get instant feedback with their devices if given in the proper format, like a online quiz. They'll get instantly know what score they got, and it will give them a platform to look at the feedback that I can give them on their papers and other such things. Now, educational games and simulations is a hot topic right now. And a few educational games can be for math or physics and even a few science experiments. I've seen a few of these work, and with each student having their own device to manipulate these simulations, it can introduce new and different topics for them to work with. Now, another slightly more controversial topic is their access to social media. Some people view it as negative, but I'm going to hit on the positives. For example, it will give them the opportunity for social connectivity and easily access their peers and even their mentors or teachers. And then they will also have access to learning management systems. And what a learning management system is something where a website where teachers can both evaluate, hand out grades, and have materials available for the students to use. Coming up next, we are going to cover common concerns, and this is where I hand it off to Derek. Thank you for your time.